Hello, my name is Sean. We're going to make pumpkin cupcakes, and I need 4 eggs. We crack the eggs into the bowl and not the blender. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of pumpkin in, like that, kind of messy. Melted butter, but not too hot. And now we're going to add a scoop of vanilla. And now I'm going to take it to the blender and it's heavy. I know it's heavy. That just happens. And turn it on and then it goes. 2 cups almond flour. And now a cup of sugar. 2 full cups of sugar actually. And dump it in. Then half cup coconut flour. 4 teaspoons baking powder. 2 teaspoons cinnamon. 1 teaspoon cloves. Half teaspoon saffron gum. Even though it sounds gross. 2 pinches salt. And now the dry ingredients stuff will get mixed. Now add the wet ingredients. This is the wet ingredient. And now you mix. The next step is adding papers. 1, 2, 3. Next, big scoop and wipe. We cook these 350 degrees if you don't remember for 15 minutes. Hi again. See, they are cooked. So now this is a video with them, but a different kind of video. About the frosting. Now we're going to dump all these pieces of butter. Some cream cheese and dump it in. 1 cup of powdered sugar now. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And you mix. And I'm almost done. Like in the beater. Now you can pipe the frosting with something like this, if you want. Or you can get your mommy to help you. The cupcake is done. All the other ones are still not done. But look, doesn't this one look tasty? Yep, it does look tasty. If we try it, it'll be tasty. Yep. It tastes good if you eat them. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it. Toodles!